Gage buyback. They're open racing Sir Henry looking for the lead top notcher. Around the outside third now, Win Beneath My Wings taking in Super Win Big Time. Then followed by Fairhaven Creation. Treasured Act is next on line. Then followed by Europa. While Kai Maki is running in a tail of the field. Out of straight they travel. Sir Henry being joined by Top Notcher. Alain Kanihap now to Super Win. Here comes Win Beneath My Wings and Fairhaven. Into the back they travel. It's Top Notcher, leads by flank, followed by Sir Henry. Win Beneath My Wings, moving up now to take third. Super Win and Fairhaven. 3 lengths back to Big Time Creation, Treasured Aka. Midway down the back stretch, it is still Top Notcher, Win Beneath My Wings now from the outside. Inside the last 600, Top Notcher, Win Beneath My Wings, fighting it out for the leader. 2 lengths back, Fairhaven. A length coming up, Top Notcher. Here comes Creation and Treasured Aka. Inside the last 400, it is still Top Notcher. A long shot leads by length now, followed by Win Beneath My Wings on the outside. Towards upon a turn, still Top Notcher leads by some 2 lengths now. Followed by Win Beneath My Wings. Here comes Fairhaven. But still Top Notcher. Followed by Win Beneath My Wings. Fairhaven on the outside. It's still Top Notcher. Fairhaven on the outside. It's still Top Notcher. Fairhaven. Europa Treasured Act. Win Beneath My Wings. Creation. Kai Maki. Big Time. Sir Henry. And Super Win.
Yan ang Cruzado Mundiado, di ba?